back to the channel real quick, man. I got this, I think it's like a 2007 Charger, Dodge Charger. What's going on, man? I have to replace ball joint, the upper ball joint has come apart. All right, so now these are not that bad. In fact, they're pretty easy. Easy inside of a shop. As you can see, I am home in my garage, and y'all know how I feel about Sundays when I have dead time. I like to make some bread. All right, so man, y'all can hang out with me today, man. Let's get this upper control arm replaced. Like I say, you see the big wheels on there, man. I gotta hate wrestling with stuff like that. So now it's not that bad. In fact, the job. I'm gonna try to go over something real quick before I get started, but let me show y'all something. Hold tight. So the job is actually fairly easy, okay? I mean, it's two attachments on the top, one right here and one right here. Those are like 18 millimeters. In fact, you can see one right there, and the other one's a little, inside of here. You're just gonna need a swivel wrench to back and forth, bring it back and forth. And as you can see, the nut right here. So yes, I will have to take the tire off. Probably need a big hammer to bang on that to get it out of place. But this upper ball joint is extremely loose. So we will be replacing this momentarily. Y'all hang out, man. Let's get right to it. Let me get this wheel off and we're gonna get straight into it. All right, let's get started, man. So in order to do the left side, I had to remove a few things just to gain access to the nut. Okay, see, even this one, I had to remove the brake reservoir cover and sneak my wrench down through there. You can see right here, this is a long ratchet and 18 millimeter wrench. Okay, and this simply, I had to remove the air cleaner housing and just move that over to the side, and I'll be able to get to that bolt. So, but for now, let's go ahead and get these top bolts off and knock this thing out, man. Let's get with it. All right, so I got the top bolts off now. Let's get to the bolt that's attached to the spindle. It's like an 18 millimeter, so we're gonna simply ratchet this off. That's what I mean by not being in the shop, man. I would simply grab my air tools and be done with it, but it doesn't always work out that way. It's an emergency job I'm doing for a friend, so make do with what you got. All right, not only am I earning extra income, I'm potentially saving her from a potential accident, because that other side had come apart. The ball joint up in here, the whole joint had come apart, separated. I don't know if y'all ever seen one of these apart, but this is a ball attached inside of here. And it's supposed to stay in place, but it virtually came apart. So I am doing both sides. All right, so I'm gonna hammer this out. Matter of fact, y'all can watch me now. Keep in mind, on the other side, as I was turning this nut off, this whole, the threads was spinning with it. So if that happens, all you do is simply insert an Allen socket inside of there, just to hold it in place while you turn the nut off. Just thought I'd bring it up and let you know so you don't panic, just in case you turn in that nut and the whole thread assembly is turning with it. All right, so let's get this out of here. Give it a couple of whacks. Oh, still ain't ready. There you go. And voila. Lean that to the side. Whoa, try your best not to damage some brake lines, because that could get ugly. Don't want that to happen. All right, so I'm gonna grab. Let me give you another hurdle I had to cross. I basically had to remove the strut off of the spindle just so I can, because I couldn't get the nuts out, so I had to remove the bolts off of the spindle, ladies and gentlemen. All right, now that I got that off, I got enough clearance in order to get to this. All right.